In this 3-mark subjective question, they are directing us to specify in which way bacteria be made competent. For this, we are specifying the bacterial cell must be made competent in order to receive the hydrophilic or DNA or plasmid, or else the DNA can't pass through the cell membrane. For this illustration, we can get 1 mark. In the second sub-question, they are directing us to specify the role of the microinjection and gene gun in biotechnology. For this, we are specifying rDNA is directly injected into the animal cell nucleus in the microinjection process. For this specification, we are getting 1 mark. And for illustrating the role of the bioholistic germ or gene gun, we are specifying the plant cell are bombarded with the high velocity microparticle of the golden coated rDNA or tungsten coated rDNA. For this specification, we are getting another 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3-mark demand of this subjective question.